Okay, we're in Split. We arrived about 10:30 last night, so pretty late off the train. I'll just do a quick run through of the apartment. It's got a fancy door opening thing. If I can get it to work.
Door is open.
I think there's 4 apartments in here. This is our one. Lounge, dining table and chairs, TV, bedroom, good sized bed. Bathroom, very nice bathroom, quite big. Tucked away here is, oh, not much of a view. Tucked away here is a wee kitchen, got an oven, no washing machine, that's all we've noticed so far. And then one of the reasons we booked this place, it's a little bit more expensive, is it has an outdoor area and a lovely pool, which when it's 32 degrees later we'll be using. Okay, that's it. So this is out front of the apartment. You can see down to the water. There's some sort of cruise liner yacht thing out there. And a bit of an olive grove just there. Lots of construction going on over there. We had trouble getting through with the car last night. So this walkway is just at the end of the road, about 200 metres from our apartment. There's a swimming beach. Great. It's not even 8 o'clock in the morning. It's already beautiful and warm. People are enjoying the swimming. And over this way is where there's been major reconstruction of this beach going on, or the beach area behind it. It officially opened it a couple of days ago, but looks like it's still under construction. This is Znjan Beach in Split. That's the islands off the coast of Croatia. I think that might have been a ferry I saw earlier. Really nice having a beach like this right on your city front. And another smaller one here. Our apartment is, see that big tall one there, and to the left there's another one. We're about 4 more back from that. Not too far back. It's a beautiful morning. So I'd say this promenade area has been finished and opened, but all the construction behind is still going on. This building here is not open. The playground over there doesn't look open. Open enough for us. So this morning we've taken the bus from our apartment into the old town of Split, down here on the waterfront promenade. Now we're going to walk up through the old town. It's this way. Am I going through the iron gate now? Just approaching the Cathedral of St. Dominus. Whoa. Look at those columns, that's amazing. I thought this was Jupiter's temple to start with, but the place is so small and compact. I think we've overrun that. We have to go back. So that's Egyptian, but looking at the columns, I'd say it's Roman? Don't know. We'll find out. Temple of Jupiter is this way. Just right next door, that's why we overran it. Can't see much of that one. We're out by the Golden Gate now. This is Gregory of Nin, an 8-metre tall sculpture, a tower that we don't know the name of, and then this is the Golden Gate here. And there used to be statues up there in those 4 things. Ooh, look at all those pigeons. This is Republic Square. Just for the record, this was Sarah's idea. Walking up steps up a hill. Let's see if we can get a view. Start to remind me of the Great Wall of China. Except the steps are about 1/3 of the size. I made it and Sarah's not far away. She's looking a bit puffed. Looking into the sun, but the view is pretty good still. Down in that direction on the coast is where our apartment is. I'd like to claim we're at the top, but it doesn't look like it. Keeps going up there, around the side of the hill. No steps though. Just had a lovely chat to a man from Colombia. It's good to have a breather, but we are carrying on up the hill. I think that might be far enough.